Subscribe and press the bell icon first to see the latest video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Rinku, and I'm gonna teach you guys different technique for beginner and advanced level of art.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an Easter bunny. And for that you need a pencil, eraser, paper, color pencil, and your paint. So let's get started.
So for the bunny, we'll start from a little bit up from your paper, and you make a curvy line here. Very nice, good job. And from this curvy line, we'll go a little bit toward the left side. So I'm going a little more bend toward the left side, come back in, do the same thing on the other side, make another curved line toward the right side, and come back in again. There you go, very nice, good job. And we'll do another curve which is dipping a little bit more down, and then we'll connect here. Very good, great job guys. Now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make the ears. For the ears, I'm making one nice and good curve, go all the way to the right, and then come back again here and connect it. Okay, and we'll do the same thing on the other side, go all the way to the left, nice and curved line, and connect here. Very nice. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the same thing inside. What we did outside, we'll do same thing inside but a smaller version. Go up, make a curved line, we'll come back and connect here. Do the same thing, curved line, go up and come back over here. Very nice, great job guys. Now let's do the eyes here. So for the eyes, I'm making a big circle to the left side and another circle to the right side. Big circle. Now what we'll do a medium circle and a small circle here. Very good. Now we'll make a triangle, but the triangle will be a little more curvy. So we'll make a curvy triangle here. Very nice. Now I'm making a straight line coming down from that triangle. And from this straight line, one line will go toward your right side and another line will go toward your left side. It already looks very cute. Okay, now we'll make one line coming down, going toward your right, and then going upward again. Very nice, great job guys. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll make a little curved line coming down here, another curved line coming down here, and we'll make a beautiful curve. You can make an actually oval shape here. Let's make an oval shape. One on the left side, one on the right side. Very nice, great job. And if you have any line coming inside that oval shape, you can just erase that. Now what we'll do, we'll make some curved line inside. 1, 2, 3. The same thing over here. 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Okay, now we'll make the egg over here. Underneath this part, we'll do the egg. So from here, I'll start from a little bit outside, and then I'm creating some mountain shape. See, going up, coming down, again going up and coming down. And from here, I finished over here. Very nice. Now what we'll do, we'll make a nice and good curve and connect from left to right here. So I'm making a nice curve which will go all the way down and we'll go up again and connect here. I'm gonna fix this area a little bit more. Very good. Now what we'll do, we'll make some pattern inside. So for the pattern, I'm making one line from left to right, another line from left to right. So we have one pattern. Now I'm making one small line here. That's all. If you want to use some different pattern, you can do it. That's it. Very nice. Good job, guys. So we're done sketching our bunny, our Easter bunny. And now we'll take our color pencil and we'll trace the line of our bunny. So I'm tracing the outline nice and smooth with my color pencil. Also, I'm going to trace the eyes here. Alright, so we are almost done with the tracing, and now we'll take our eraser and erase all the extra pencil line. Alright, so I'm done erasing the pencil line. Now I'm gonna trace the eye one more time and color inside the eyes. But make sure you don't color the big medium circle and the small circle. Go nice and smooth. Very good. Do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll take our color. For this we need pink and some colors for this area, for the egg. Also kids, if you are interested in my personal lesson, please visit my website link, and I put it in the description. Okay, first I'm gonna take my pink, and what I'm doing here, I'm just coloring inside this small area. Okay, take your pink and then color inside the small petal we did inside part of the ears. Very good. Now take the same color and you color it over here. Very nice. Good job. Also, I'm gonna color the nose with the same pink I have. Very good. And I'm gonna make a little cute oval shape over here. One on the left side, one on the right side. Very good. Okay, Okay, for this part, I'm gonna use my yellow. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe the channel. So I upload videos pretty much every week, so you don't miss it, right? So just go hit the subscribe button. All right, now see over here, I'm adding the yellow over this part. There we go. Very nice, great job. Okay, now I'm gonna leave this area. I'm not coloring this area yellow. I'm gonna color this area with the orange. So take your orange, trace the line, go slow, and color over here with the orange. There we go. See, my color went a little outside over here. That's okay. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a little bit more orange and cover this area. See, it's a little clever trick. So I teach all these kind of trick in my personal classes. So if you want to join there, I put the website link in the description, so you can just go and you can contact me from there for the personal classes. I'm adding just a little bit of black over here for that extra wow effect, but you can totally skip this part. My color pencil is a little light, so I'm gonna use a little bit more black here. And also let me know how you like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Goodbye for today, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye. You guys, don't forget to like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel.